All right, I've got a few comments on not being able to find the lab. I apologize. That was poor planning on my part. Let me see if this will get you there. It's so hard sometimes where I think I've done it, but I can never test because I have an account and you don't necessarily need to have an account. So in the Spring Lab, you've got me discussing independent and dependent variables, an overview of the pivot activity, but the lab doc should have information, okay? So you're going to put what are the independent variables and dependent variable, and then go to. So we should be able to follow this. I hope this puts me in a different screen. All right, so we're able to follow that, and it says select join a class. Join a class right up here. And what should show up? Oh God, please, please, please. Class key. So then I'm going to go class key. I think I can just copy it. Putting that in. Continue. Confirm. Oh, sign up. Dang it. I'm logging in. I guess you might have to sign up. I don't know what this is about. Basically, I have an account. So my classes, it should show up copy of linear spring oscillators. Okay. So there are a couple people that have been in it. And yeah, ooh, I hope that helps. So let me get this processed and sent to you.